If you want to give a developer access to your website in Namecheap without sharing your full account login, this is the safest and most professional way to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to create a separate FTP account inside CPanel so your developer can upload and edit files without ever seeing your Namecheap credentials. This is a simple process, and it's especially useful if you want to protect your hosting account while still letting someone work on your site. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, go to your hosting list. From there, find the hosting plan connected to the website you want to share access for and click on CPanel. This will open the control panel for that hosting account. Now that you're in CPanel, look for the Files section. Inside Files, click on FTP Accounts. This is where you can create separate login credentials for someone who only needs access to specific website files. Instead of giving out your main Namecheap username and password, this method lets you create a limited account just for your developer. On the FTP Accounts page, look for the Add FTP Account section. In the username field, enter a name for your developer's FTP access. Choose something easy to recognize so you can identify it later if needed. Next, create a strong password. Make sure it is secure, unique, and not reused anywhere else, because this account will allow access to your website files. After that, you'll need to set the directory. This is one of the most important steps. The directory controls which folder the developer can access. If you want them to work on a specific website, point the directory to that website's folder only. That way, they won't have access to the rest of your hosting files. This is exactly why separate FTP accounts are so useful. They give you control over what each person can see and edit. Once the username, password, and directory are filled in, click Create FTP Account. CPanel will generate the new FTP access for your developer. At this point, the account is ready to use. Now you need to send the developer the FTP login details. Give them the FTP username, the password you created, the hostname, and the FTP port. In most cases, the hostname will be your domain name or the server name provided by Namecheap, and the port is usually 21 for standard FTP. If they are using a secure FTP client, they may also need the correct connection type, so it's a good idea to confirm the settings before they begin. Your developer can then use an FTP client like FileZilla to connect to the hosting account. Once connected, they'll be able to upload, edit, and manage files inside the folder you assigned without having access to your full Namecheap login. That means your main account stays private, while your developer still gets the access they need to do the job. This is also the recommended approach from Namecheap when you need to give selected users access. Separate FTP accounts are much safer than sharing your full hosting credentials, and they make it easier to control who can do what on your site. And that's it. You've now learned how to give CPanel access to a developer in Namecheap the safe way using a separate FTP account. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.